You know, people ask me all the time how I got in the insurance business. And I would tell you that it was no grand plan. I'd only been married a year or so, finished up college with an economics and finance degree, and had to figure out what the future looked like. I was pretty happy working for another guy, taking care of his cows and a few of my own, and could see that being my future. But 29 years ago, my wife sent my resume out. That's how I got in the insurance business. Was in the business for 17 years and worked for some great people in the industry. And 12 years ago, I kind of wanted to do it a little different way. You know, you can buy insurance from a lot of different people, but we wanted to be able to take our relationships in agriculture and build a team of people around our customers that would protect what they needed protected. We started with 3 people. You know, we're close to 100 now, and 80% of that's in agriculture. Never was that our dream, but we've never changed our thought process of what we're really trying to do. We've just tried to build better teams of people more educated on every team to understand exactly what they work with every day. If you work within our industry at all in agriculture, there's not probably many things that we don't work with day in and day out.
It's easy for me to be passionate about this industry because it's such an underserved industry. Ag, you either understand it or you don't. And so having so many people with the background in the ag world, we can truly speak to their needs, to our farmers and ranchers' needs. We live in this industry and we know it's a diminishing demographic, and we want to be part of who help protect that. A lot of my why too, and what I love about this industry is we are truly protecting the next generation, because a lot of what we do is a family business. We do work with very large companies, but majority of who we work with are founded by mom and dad. We have a lot of 4th and 5th generations that if they're not insured properly, if we don't do our job properly, when the farm burns down or the tornado hits or whatever happens, they don't recover. And that's something we want to protect.
We live and play in the fields that we insure. We understand what it's like to run a business and understand the hassles that come with it. But the other thing I think that's extremely important, Kevin's transparency is unmatched. When we get the opportunity to get our foot in the door and we get a chance to handle an issue that you're having currently, we will earn the rest of your business, because the people we have here and the way that our leadership all the way down handles day to day, it's not like any other place.
Everybody in the industry talks about service. What does service mean? Does service mean that from 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, we're there for you? Or does service mean 24/7, 365? Because a customer only needs us when they need us. They don't need us when the payment's due and they have to write us a check. They need us when their house got hit by a tornado or a tree fell on the back patio on a Sunday night. That's when they need us, and that's one thing that I think Specialty Risk does well.
Customers are typically become your friends over time. You have common ground with them. You spend a lot of time with them. You're their trusted advisor at the end of the day to protect everything they own. We tell people all the time that we sell insurance, but we also don't insure everything. There's things you shouldn't insure. We just want to be there and protect the most important things to them.
Today as it stands, we have around 90 full-time team members. Kevin would attest to that. That was never the goal, to be this size. The goal was always just to do the right thing and to be able to serve the demographics we love and want to help protect.
Understand the risk that people have every day. And that's what we really work at. We want to serve our customer, and we live in their world, so it's not that hard for us to connect with what they need. And that's who we are. We don't have to fake it. We don't have to pretend. Really, at the end of the day, everybody takes risk. We just want you to know what yours are. We have a group of people that truly care about the well-being of your business and your family.